H.K.K presents Walnut Brownie. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. The ingredients to make walnut brownie are walnut 1 cup, cooking milk chocolate 200 gram, butter 125 gram, cocoa powder 1/4 cup, sugar 1/2 cup, brown sugar 1/4 cup, 2 eggs at room temperature, vanilla essence 2 to 3 drops, salt 1/2 teaspoon, baking powder 1/4 teaspoon, flour shifted 1/2 cup, cooking chocolate milk chunks, walnut roughly chopped 1/2 cup. The directions to make walnut brownie are: roughly chopped walnuts and cooking milk chocolate into chunks and set aside. In saucepan, add butter and let it melt. Add 100 gram cooking milk chocolate, reserve 100 gram for later use. Cocoa powder, mix well and cook on low flame until chocolate melts and set aside. In spice mixture, add sugar, brown sugar and grind coarsely. In bowl, add brown sugar, eggs, vanilla essence and mix well. Add prepared chocolate mixture and mix well. Add salt, baking powder and whisk again. Add all-purpose flour and mix well. Add chopped walnuts and give it a good mix. Grease 7 multiply 9 oven-safe baking dish with cooking oil and place butter paper. Pour brownie batter in prepared baking dish and add reserved cooking chocolate chunks 100 gram and walnut. Bake in preheated oven at 175 Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. After baking, let it cool and cut into pieces and serve. You can serve it along with anything as per your taste as a dessert. At last, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.